Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am talking about the one of the most important phylum of animal kingdom, Mollusca. It is important and different. Different means that their character is slightly different than any other phylum. I think you know about the Mollusca. The very common animals, octopus is under Mollusca, snail is under Mollusca, squid is under Mollusca. So they are all are Mollusca. They are all are under of Mollusca. So today I am talking about their habitat, their body structure, their digestion, their circulation, their respiration system, and also reproduction. Also reproduction. So my dear friends, the habitat means that actually they are found in mostly aquatic region and also terrestrial region. They can be found in water and in terrestrial region. They can be found in marine water and in fresh water. And their body structure actually they are, I think you know, mostly bilateral symmetrical. They are bilateral symmetrical. And mostly because there is some exception case as like the class of mollusk, a class called gastropod class. The gastropod class actually is not actually bilateral symmetrical. They are asymmetrical animals. Not all mollusk animals are bilateral symmetrical. Some cases they can be asymmetrical. And their body, most of the cases, their body actually is covered by a shell. Is covered by a shell. And this shell actually is formed by mantle layer. Mantle is the layer. This layer, this cellular layer, secretes some chemical, secret as like calcium carbonate, calcareous chemical, and this chemical from the shell. That means this shell is made of mantle or made by mantle, made of calcium carbonate actually, made by mantle. And my dear students, so listen again. And it is very interesting that the inner side of the animals actually doesn't have any or don't have any skeleton. Their only skeleton is there, the outer portion, outer shell. In inner side, there is no skeleton, no cartilage, and no bones. And another special thing is that in the body structure, they have muscular feet. Muscular feet means muscle type feet. Muscular feet. So their body actually contain this muscular feet. And we can easily say that their body is divided into three regions. One is their head, and one is their feet, muscular feet, and all the portion is called the visceral organ. Actually, three part of this animal is that one is their head, as their muscular foot, and as their visceral organ. What is their visceral organ? Visceral organ means that the inner side of the body. What's about our visceral organ? Our visceral organ is our stomach, our liver. These all our visceral organ. Visceral organ means the inner organ of the body. That's why I'm talking about that the structure is divided into three parts: head, muscular foot, and the visceral organ. So in the body structure, we can easily tell that it is divided into three regions. It is covered by shell, formed by mantle, and they contain muscular feet. So I think you got this point. And the digestion or digestive system is fully completed, well developed. They have crop, they have stomach. This is stomach, and they have crop, stomach-like structure, and the special structure is called radula. Radula actually is present in front of the digestive tract, and it is responsible for cutting the food particle. It is one of the most important character of this phylum, radula. In the most common MCQ in the board exam or admission exam, the question is like that: where radula is found, and which phylum contain radula? The answer is mollusc or in front of the digestive tract. So, and remember, their digestive tract is U-shaped. So, digestive tract is U-shaped. So, in this sector, you need to know about two things. Their digestive tract is U-shaped and they contain radula. Just need to remember two things, my dear students. And next point is circulation. So, their circulation is quite different. That means they contain blood which is blue in color because their blood contain hemocyanin pigment. So this pigment actually is responsible for blue color. We have hemoglobin is responsible for red color, and they have hemocyanin, this is responsible for blue color. And their blood actually is not present inside the artery or vein in all time. Actually, listen very carefully in that case. What's about our circulation system? Our blood is present inside the artery or inside the vein. That's why our blood is present inside the artery or vein. That's why it is called closed circulation system. But in the most of the cases, they contain blood in the case of cavity or phylum, and that's why they are called open circulation system. But remember, some of the animals of mollusk actually contain partially open circulation system. Partially open means some blood present in the duct and some blood present in the cavity. So both places actually is responsible for containing the blood. So blood can be present in duct or in cavity. That's why it is called partially open circulation system. So mollusk actually it is very special because some can be fully open, some can be partially open, and also remember some animals have closed circulation system. As like octopus, as like squid, they have closed circulation system. That is, their blood present inside the duct. I think you got my point. And the respiration actually, the aquatic mollusk actually, their respiration has done by gills, and terrestrial mollusk actually, their respiration has done by lungs or body surface. So their respiration actually can be done by gills or can be done by lungs. So I think you got my point. I think you understand the topic of habitat, body structure, digestion, and circulation, and respiration. And my dear students, reproduction. Their reproduction is mostly internal reproduction. Some animals actually may be external, but maximum cases all the mollusks actually maximum cases follow internal reproduction, but some cases they can follow external reproduction. So my dear students, I think you got all the point, and need to revise all the things, need to play the video again and again. So that's all. Today's class is over now, and my dear students, listen very carefully. Mollusk is very important for your board exam, very important, and you just write this point in very carefully. No need to draw the picture in exam hall. It is not important to draw the picture, to draw the figure of mollusk animals. I just draw the picture because of a better understanding, nothing else. Okay, my dear students, Allah Hafiz, have a good day.